Yeah. Look, 5 a.m. the screen got a blue tint. Mapping the levels, I'm reading the blueprint. They're all hoping I'm seeing the movement. This ain't a gamble, this is improvement. I'm way past the hope it works. I'm in the zone where the focus works. They over leverage and go berserk. I see the pep pad, I know the perks. No emotion, I'm disconnected. The thesis is sound, the trade is selected. They checking the news, I'm checking perspective. Every entry I make is perfected. Click the mouse, I don't even doubt. Watch the red candle break down. They're taking nails, I'm taking a new route. I see the setup, I'm ready to clear out. Just print it. Print it. Account number looking like a phone digit. Yeah, I'm locked in. I'm in it to win it. I look at the chart and I tell it to print it, print it, print it. Okay, print it, okay. Every tick I touch goes vivid, goes vivid. They think I got a machine, I live it. I don't even check the account. Just print it, just print it. This ain't luck, this is repetition. This is chart time, this is ambition. This is calculated, pure conviction. Yeah, I already know the position, I'm the bad. Yeah, the one they dreaded. See that rally, I'm about to be headed. They all panic buying, misguided. I'm short in the top, cause I know where the smart money slid it. It's surgical, it's systematic. They're chaotic. I'm automatic, P&L looking cinematic. They blowing the counts. Symptomatic, yeah, I'm modest, but it's upside down. Everything I touch is a profit found. Nothing to lose, everything to gain. It's a different mindset, I'm in a different lane. Just print it. Print it. Account number looking like a phone digit. Yeah, I'm locked in. I'm in it to win it. I look at the chart and I tell it to print it, print it, print it, print it. Okay, print it, okay. Every tick I touch goes vivid, goes vivid. They think I got a machine, I live it. I don't even check the account. Just print it, just print it. They staring at the lines, they're frozen on execution. Focused, they're hoping. I've chosen the market's a notion. I'm coasting, it's a different kind of quiet when you know the play before you short it. They see a ride, I see it died, I see what I want. I don't have to try it, I just print it. Print it, print it, print it, print it. Account number looking like a phone digit. Yeah, I'm locked in. I'm in it to win it. I look at the chart and I tell it to print it, print it, print it, print it. Okay, print it, okay. Every tick I touch goes vivid, goes vivid. They think I got a machine, I live it. I don't even check the account. Just print it, just print it, just print it. Yeah, just print it, just print it. Tell them again. Print it, print it, print it.
Was all that all I had to do?
Yeah, the screen turned green, I had to buy, so I cash it out. Wouldn't do it bad, but the devil on my shoulder said one more. Now I'm watching profits walk right out the door, and all I had to do was walk away. All I had to do was walk away. Now I'm bleeding red on a broken day. All I had to do. Sunlight coming through the blinds. Yeah. Got a different mission on my mind. Flip the screen on, coffee in my hand. Swear to God I'm gonna stick to the plan. First trade hits, it's a perfect play. Watching numbers climb, it's a brand new day. I hit my goal, I'm up, I'm good at that. Feeling in my blood like I knew I would. But I'm still sitting in this chair. Stared at the profit, just kept it in. My hands on the mouse, but my brain's in the clouds. It's way too quiet, I need the crowds. Need a high, I need a rush. The voice of reason telling me to hush. I was a king, I had a crown. Didn't know I was better. Screen turned green, I had them back. Swore I'd cash it out, wouldn't do it bad, but the trade, I'm feeling bold. It's a story that's been told. A little dip is fine, it'll bounce right back. Then I see the whole damn chart start to crack. Panic setting in, my hands they shake. Just one more trade, for heaven's sake. I'll make it back, I'll get it right. Now I'm just chasing in the broad daylight. From green to gray, from gray to red. All of the voices in my head, they're getting louder, screaming at me. Trapped in this hell that I just let me be. Gave it all back and then I gave some more. Numb to the bone, staring at the floor. The high is gone, replaced with pain. Stuck in the middle of a screen, turn green. I had him back, so I cashed it out. Wouldn't do it back. The devil on my shoulder, said one more. Now I'm watching profits walk right out the door. And all I had to do was walk away. All I had to do was walk away. Now I'm bleeding red on a broken day. All I had to do was this ain't about the money, not really. It's the feeling that I'm my own enemy. It's a sickness, man, it's a damn disease. Brings a strong man right down to his knees. I had it all in the palm of my hand. A castle built on unstable sand. And I watch the waves just wash it out. Let me with the fear, let me with the doubt. Let me with the doubt. Yeah. Knew the screen was green, I had it back. Should've cashed it out, why'd I do it back? The devil on my shoulder, he said one more. Now I'm watching everything I had walk out the door. And all I had to do was walk away. All I had to do was walk away.
Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts. Gotta check the chart, boy. Watching all these small caps, watching all these chart, boy. Now I take a cut, boy. Now I take a cut, boy. I be selling quick, yeah. Stunning on the holder, boy. RSK, got a many wrist, man. Trade another day, man. Trade another day, yeah. Paper cuts. All I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts. All I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Used to take the big hit, now I keep it tiny, boy. Read about the blow-ups, that's a different trader, boy. Discipline is all I got, I never trust a FOMO, boy. Used to bag whole stocks, now I'm just a scaler, boy. Yeah, the float is low, G, watching for the spike, man. Keep the stop loss ready, all my levels set, yeah. Ain't no second guess, yeah. You ain't talking risk, yeah. You ain't in the session, yeah. Get a mess, yeah. Cuts on cuts, yeah. Gotta keep it tight. Front of red, now I'm in the light. They were holding back, now they see the height, yeah. All I see is charts, all day, all night, yeah. All day, all night. All about that P&L cuts, paper cuts. All I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts. All I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts. Boy, just imagine the risk. Saving all the paper, boy. Boy. Yeah.
Test. Good Green Team. How we doing this morning? Missed you guys over the weekend. Fades, what's going on? What's the new background we got here?
Good morning, guys.
Is that your
New
bedroom?
setup. Had a good week, bought a new crib last week, new house, new me.
Bought a new crib. The camera, something looks good. You got a new
Yeah,
camera?
this is my parents' house up in Georgia. The
Oh,
lighting's
sweet.
probably just a little different, yeah. So I'm up in the bedroom up here in my little office setup. So.
Printing it so much last week. Got you a new crib, huh?
Yeah, man.
Looking forward to this week, man. Friday night was a good time. A lot of good things we went over. Had a good Friday night live stream.
Yeah, for sure. That was cool. It's cool having multiple traders on, just bouncing ideas off and just getting raw and authentic. Like it really helps, I feel like.
Yeah, absolutely. There's some good like backside plays this morning, and then obviously we got some of the gappers this morning to look at as well. You want me to jump into it, or what you got? What tickers?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead. I'm gonna make a fresh watch list right now.
Okay. So a few from last week. I like this CYPH, guys. This is
Yeah, I'm actually in that one. That's like my one trade I'm still in right now.
nice.
Sure.
Yeah, I like it against really the 20s, 30s for a backside fade. And then CYCU, very similar kind of setup. It had the zombie hour move on Friday, CYCU, and then so I'm monitoring that against like 6.
Yeah.
Decent.
Yeah, you had a good short in that after hours, didn't you?
Yeah, end of day that she's doing all right. And then CMBM, dude. Like I know that was on your watch list, and it made a move Friday, and now it gave most of it back. It kind of looks heavy against the 320s now.
Yeah, I feel like that 2.8 level is just like do or die for it at this point.
Mm-hmm.
It's based there so many times, see how it reacts there, or yeah. So that one's weird with that Starlink and Starlink news.
Yeah.
Good
morning, Perfect Fall. I was bumping to print it this morning in the car. Whew.
So was Baron. That's his hype. That's his morning hype. Get up and go. Print it.
Yeah. I like Engine.
It's like
Engine
a 50 cent. Like
I know. That's what I thought too when I listened to it. I'm like, this is kind of.
Who's that other rapper? The Pop Smoke. I don't know if you've ever heard of him.
No.
He's got like that kind of flow. It kind of reminded me of like Pop Smoke and 50 Cent. AI print it.
Man, dude, you don't even need these artists these days for real. Like when I'm listening to this, I'm like, you don't need them. You got you get their voice and you're good. Like that's all you need.
Yeah, you customize the lyrics so you're hearing what you actually want to instead of some like random trash. And there you go. The beat's catchy.
I know. All those beats are real catchy.
There was one other trade this morning that I took. I forgot what the ticker even was.
It probably was.
It was a quick short. Zyme. Yeah.
Yeah.
Doug called that one out. At 7 o'clock.
Oh, there's still a play there for sure.
Yeah. I got a little 4 or 5 point short on it this morning. That was nice.
Dang, dude.
From like 30, 29, 30.
Oh, you were up at 7 or 6:30 or so?
Yeah. I caught it at like 28, 29, covered like 26, 25, something like that.
Good work.
And
yeah,
she's still that was perfect. Got the predictable piece. But yeah, it's like now it's winding out. Could give time
bear flag in here, some upper wicks against that VWAP. Yeah, I'm gonna monitor that for sure at the open. I'm gonna be flipping through, see what gets the hype, what the Warriors are jumping on this morning, because it's been bouncing around a little bit.
It's been slow so far. I mean, we're not seeing anything really getting too rowdy here. I mean, the rowdiest we have is really, not much. Amex up 40%. The SCML, the lithium company, that's at $8, up 30%. We got Zyme. You called out GLMD. That was a quick little fade that did give 10, 15, 20 cents there. If you caught it right.
Oh, I was tempted to. It tapped like the 200 day was 165, and that's exactly what it hit. So yeah, it would have been pretty good right there.
Yeah, it's like with these pump and dumps, pre-market and post, you gotta be really quick. You have to
Mhm.
analyze quick, right? You have to analyze the data. What's the news? What's the float? Like, there's a lot of quick analysis that has to happen to like slam those. But they can be fruitful. Those quick pump and dumps pre and post. I continue to preach on that. I love those setups. It's just you gotta be really dialed in. Like you can miss the whole move in 5 minutes. Like, but as we get into 9 o'clock, I'm not too big of a fan of like opening new short positions. Kind of just like to let this next 30 minutes breathe and get a good watch list and a good bird's eye view what's going
Yeah.
on.
Yeah, GLMD is you're getting a little pop right there too. So yeah, well, you gotta just monitor and see. CMCT was a zombie hour play too. They've been running these things up end of day, man. Like several of these.
Yeah,
It's
I
been like a
noticed that
theme.
too. Yeah, that was a great fade on Friday. I didn't catch it, but I saw it. Let me pull up the watch.
And it did that same thing last Wednesday, and then did it again on Friday. It just makes you wonder, like, yeah, like can it do it again? Really? After it's done it twice, it didn't quite
Yeah,
sustain it
on
Friday.
what too? Like, why is it even doing that? Like, I think it's definitely
Right.
one to add to the watch list today.
There's quite a few I like. It's just they're a little spready, and I may want to just kind of monitor the action on them.
Yeah, it's always that tricky debate. It's like, do I take it before bell or after? Like, depending on how spready it is, I guess, and how wiki it's been.
We got to talk about GLTO too.
Yeah, yeah, that's
The-
definitely gonna be so GLTO.
It's kind of cracking the trend it was on in a little bit. I mean, it
At
just it.
Friday, it started to slip just a little bit after hours,
Hmm.
which is
Yep.
interesting.
Yeah, I had this
Um,
ascending triangle on the kind of bull flag ascending triangle, and it was holding up well. It just hasn't gotten the. I mean, it could like this thing's been trending up. If they don't have anything else to pump, I could see this, and so I mean, this is that would be interesting at the bell if
yeah,
GLTO gets some action,
yeah,
but
you're
that's a
right.
fast
How's that
spreading name.
volume?
Low, very low right now. That's what all. I mean, if it
Yeah,
gets
20,000.
the chat room momentum, it'll do something.
Mm-hmm.
But outside of that, not much. And it's up a lot, like the 490 to 26.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it's hard to say what's gonna get rowdy at Bell. I mean, it's Monday. Here we are Monday and nothing's up more than 50%. We got
Hmm.
that Wii Shop, which is like an IPO that's super spready. I mean, it will probably present a trade, but it's gonna be a very tricky trade, WSHP, because it's just so
Oh,
wiki and so wide. It's IPO, like it's the king of the day right now, but
yeah.
sketchy the spreads. I saw a spread early this morning. It was like a $50 spread on Thinkorswim. Like it's like a 70
Oh
bid, like
my
200
god,
ask or something.
that's
Oh my
nightmare.
god. Talk about scary for like ambitious shorts, like
I
trying to get
know.
ahead of that thing. Like, whew.
Um, KD CYPH, yeah. CYPH is really good. SGML's given like most back. That's a
I'm
little
gonna go top
aggravating.
off my coffee. I'll be right back, bro.
Yeah, yeah. CYPH, that was one I like. Hangover and or CYCU and CYPH, both of those. I keep getting both of those confused because their names are semi. They're both CYs. But yeah, CYPH very good against like the 320s, 30s. And the CYCU same thing, like even six. Like CYCU did a nice little head and shoulders going into the close on Friday, and it's been real heavy week against that. Now that was the big hype play that they were running into close. If nothing else spikes up this morning, I could see them returning to that, but yeah, CYPH feels a little sleepier than CYCU would be. Cypherpunk. Yeah, this is the one that was. Oh my god, this was the one that was getting delisted, right? they were getting delisted, and then they rebranded. They were LPTX. And then they unveiled a digital asset treasury strategy. Rebranding not only the ticker name, but maybe their whole company. So yeah, CYPH up from 40 cents. They rebranded, and this is a nice hangover opportunity. I really like it here, even against 320. It's tempting to just throw something on this. Let me take a look at what the spreads are. TTP. $304, $305. Pretty good. Oh, I mean, I imagine this is just going to have a lot of trouble, reclaiming Friday's high, pre-market high, just a lot of resistance overhead, and the fact that we're hanging over and like massively overbought. Yeah, it's a good setup. It really is. Good eye there. But we still got 12, 13 minutes till the bell, guys. So, I mean, there were a few morning gappers, but nothing sustaining much. Even this ZYME is on this big bear flag that's cracking lower. And slowly motivate your in ZYME. Very good. Short ZYME, RPTX. RPTX has been a slow, good fader. SSP. And SGML is given a lot off of its high back down to the Magic 20. So that may try to find its feet down there, Magic 20s. PGEN's a hangover as well. 520, Magic 20 it hit on Friday. It's kind of hanging here. I mean, it opened up 375. It might see some profit taking. That's a decent chart. I like PGEN. And yeah, there's probably like 5-6 of these backsides. And CMCT's just seeing some sell orders coming through right now too.
You working anything right now? Just watching, monitoring?
No, I mean, I want to get involved in a lot of these. I want to see if I can. I want to, take a little bit more of an edge and build a cushion out of the gates, and then maybe revisit some of these. But yeah, I would like one of my favorite plays is CYCU.
Okay.
And CYPH. Both of those. CYPH feels like it could be heavier against like 320s.
Yeah, I actually shorted that spike this morning, and I've just been kind of sitting in it. Took some profit. Got my stop set. Close to getting stopped out. I spread it out though, so we'll see. That spikes at bell, get out, but it could just dump and continue. And I still got leftovers working. So it's my only play right now. Just because it's up so much, right? Like, it's just pumped and pumped and pumped.
Let's see what GLTO?
CYPH. But GLTO is the other one that's definitely like
40 cents.
It's just been so grindy. Like, I don't know who's been holding GLTO up, but some force has been holding that thing up.
The force. Yeah, both of those. CYPH, CYCU, my favorite, probably.
Okay.
Going into the bell. I might stab a little bit at them here pre-market. I'm going to hit the head just 1 second.
Okay. You guys got anything working right now? Best trades of the day so far? What do y'all got? For me, it was I can't even find my orders. CYPH, obviously, and then Zyme. Yeah, good call, Doug, on Zyme this morning. I sniped that like right at the top.
Just print it. Yeah, how's Georgia treating you? What you guys got going on today?
Oh, it's nice, man. Got to see the family yesterday. and we had a nice lunch and caught up, and yeah, just taking it easy, man. The weather's really nice. I was expected to be a little colder, which I'm sure it will, but yesterday was like really nice out. Perfect
Mhm.
weather. Up here in the mountains, Jasper is like the first mountain city in Georgia, so it starts to really get like mountainous and pretty and laid back. But it's only like an hour from Atlanta, so it's still like within reach of the city and stuff. Cool
Mhm.
little area. Yeah. Just hanging out here for the week with the fam, my parents.
Yeah, last time I was there was I think it was called Peachtree as a city
Mm-hmm.
there.
Peachtree
Yeah,
City, yeah.
a friend who flies out. He's a pilot for out of there and hanged out. But
Okay.
it's pretty, man. Yeah, I love like this time of year is my favorite on the East Coast. It's just
Mm-hmm.
too nice.
Yeah, for sure. It's beautiful, man. Georgia's really big too. It's like Florida. It's like huge. So many different areas
Uh-huh.
to explore, different vibes, different people. It's cool. Why does Netflix say it's up 900% in 5 days? Did they do a forward split or reverse split or something?
They
That's not
must have because it's only trading at $100.
unless there's some glitch on my system. Chart looks bearish. Netflix. We're gonna have to swim to the big cap waters today.
Large
um,
caps turn small.
yeah, CYPH is up 500% in 5 days, guys.
I know. Is
And
it
then
going to turn into MTC though? That's the only concern.
GLTO sits behind that. And then we have Sleepy LFS is still up a couple 100%, but that's one of those charts where it's already unwound.
Amex
You
is going
know,
to give another trade, and this is curling back up. And AMIX, dude, they are wiki on their chart. Look at this.
is that going to end up
Central
being the rowdy king of day? I mean, it looks like it right now. So far,
Yeah,
it is.
220s is real wiki up there. Is it going to get up there? That's the question. 220s is about a
Amex.
good point. Yeah.
I just want to see something a little more expensive. These cheaper plays have been kind of especially at
Yeah.
Bell. 10-cent rule and all that. We want to really see something, at least a couple bucks, but let's see. Um,
Yeah,
take a look. Anything else? Cog T, that thing's still kind of hanging around. Could be worth watching, but hasn't really shown signs yet. Cog T. Move is still, I guess, can be mentioned, right? Up from $4, still at 10. See anything else? Yeah, kind of sleepy. Again, we do see that on Monday. The backside list can be a little lighter, just because we need fresh plays to like present themselves
yeah.
today and figure out the sentiment.
But traders going into the opening bell, so some of the better plays we're looking at are CYPH for a backside play. But again, there's not a lot on the gap up list this morning that's really sustaining volume. So, like one of these backside plays could get the volume again. So we just got to keep our eyes out for that. Probably the leading gapper this morning is Amix.
That looks like the one that's probably gonna be rowdiest. I mean,
And Amix is testing the highs out right now. And it's not up like a ton, AMIX either.
yeah, I mean, as far as like the volume kings, let me see volume kings. Filter this out. So yeah, Amix and then GLMD, Cypherpunk. Honestly, CYPA has as much volume as everything else, like as far as dollar volume. So that could be one to definitely keep an eye on at Bell. See how that's going to react. Like, what's that volume going to tell us? What's it going to do? Um, so CYPH at Bell is definitely going to be Probably Wiki, if I'd have to say. I mean, we got 12 million. Like we have about 35 million dollars traded there this morning. And with
Okay.
Amix, we have about the same exact thing, about 35 million traded this morning, dollar volume. So those are like two competitors for the day. GLMD and then GNS is also another interesting play. That was the after hours pump. They're like suing the short firm. They're like Citadel and whatever.
Oh, seriously?
So that could get some warrior congregation there, but the chart kind of broke down. So that's GNS. So those are like the top 4 volatile plays this morning, guys. And they're all sitting around like $1, but the CYPH is at a couple bucks. So since CYPH is gonna get so rowdy at the bell, probably think I'll reduce some size.
All right, trade is 2.5 minutes. Let's see what the market's going to bring us. I'll probably have to hop off phase like 45 minutes in or so. 'Cause I got a lot to do. Somebody rear-ended me over the weekend, and I gotta go take care of all that. A lot going on. Emmanuel and Uzo in the building. What's going on, guys? Good morning. Happy to be with you. Hope you guys had a great weekend. See what's going to get. 2 minutes left. AMIX. That one's probably the leading play in small cap land. So monitoring that. And then some of the backside plays. CYCU, CYPH.
It's like CYPH is pumping at bell, guys.
Yeah, I mean, it's up there at resistance, like at a really clear resistance area, CYPH. So this one was...
Yeah, it's right there. Keep an eye on that one. And then SGML is another one that's kind of more expensive, could get a little action.
Yeah, right here at that 820 level. All right, traders, 1 minute before the game begins. Slowly motivate up on a couple. It's so nice when you start green and pre-market before the market even opens. And ZYME, really nice bear flag. If you missed that 7 o'clock sell-off. Selling off on that bear flag pretty good. So Amex may pump out of the gates, guys. I set that 120. And watching some backside plays. CYCU, CYPH that they may revisit. 20 seconds.
See what we got, guys.
Mm. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Traders, let's get it. Monitoring Amex here. See what she's going to do out of the gates. All right, Amex kind of pumping a little bit out of the gates. Not surprising.
Mm-hmm. CYPH looks a little heavy. SGML is flopping around.
SGML printing 820s. Yeah.
It's kind of a little floppy, but not too crazy. CYPH getting some sellers.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Oh, big buyer just came in at CYPH. Big wick back up there.
Wow. Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, CYPH. The 320s, 30s really key on that one, guys. So it just got rejected again fairly hard off of that
Wild
3.
Wiki West there. That was probably a confirmation. This thing might really dump now. I'm gonna scale it a little bit off that wick it just put in. If it
Yeah, I'm gonna
returns,
hit it and 3 over that wick. Yeah, over that wick's my risk. Amex is pumping.
pumping. Yeah, CYPH, that might be the death wick there. Let's see.
Putting the stop 321. And then Amex, I want to turn my attention to as well. Amex 140s we're at right now. All right, AMIX pumping up. They announced results from their subgroup analysis. Sustained improvements in quality of life. Analysis of pancreatic cancer. Okay.
CYCU dumping. SGML dumping.
Dang. Yeah, CYCU, yeah, that was good. And then a little spready though. CYPH is the one I'm with right now. Like that one to still reject the 310s, the highs it just put in really. Then Amex is monitoring that action.
What's the scanner looking like? Anything getting more love or?
CYPH new lows.
Let's go. Print it. Print it. Go on, print it. Yeah, I feel like after that wick, bro, like, what more can be done? I mean, we've seen it all, though. I mean, this thing could halt up and just squeeze us.
So Amex is interesting, guys, because it's like, again, there's so many upper wicks on this. It's at a key resistance area right here. If we look left, 140s, and then we have a lot of upper wicks in like the 220s, 30s. So the key area here, if we break through that, we might be headed for 2. So we just gotta monitor that action.
Damn it, dude. SGML just gave a point. CYCU fade.
Damn. Yeah.
GNS still looking heavy but churny here. The bull's going to gain some momentum. Dollar could be a decent long idea, and if it gets heavy from there, it's probably done.
IVVD pumping.
Yeah, I noticed that one. I just print it.
Yeah, she's going higher, IVVD.
There goes CYPH manipulating everyone out. 30-cent wick there. Just did a 30-cent wick. Just completely gross, bro. Like, what?
Yeah, CYPH highly manipulated. That one's.
Yeah, that one was tricky.
I put a 321 stop on it, but gonna probably get wicked out. Yeah, just got wicked. CYPH just got wicked out on that one.
It's ridiculous, dude. Unreal. Print it. Just print it.
Yeah, it's a tough one. That's a tough one because she still looks really good, but
yeah, that's BS. That morning bell BS that we deal with.
Yeah. AMIX is still like having trouble at that 140. But I mean, it's sitting right under it. So you might try to get up through it. Again, that's a key level right there.
Which one?
AMIX just sitting going kind of sideways right under a key resistance area. AMIX about to pop up and test it. ZYME did a little red to green move. Yeah, that SGML dump crazy, man.
Right, MTC. Nothing. Same thing.
IVVD's at high still right now, climbing higher. IVVD like 230s to nearly 3. And it's hardly put in a red candle.
Wow. Take a look at the scanner. Print it. Print it. Yeah, this is why I hate Bell, and we hate like the king of the day at Bell is so frustrating. Like that's CYPH. Like that's just the price action that just tilts people and just steals money from retail. Like that's just so stupid. So frustrating.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to avoid that.
GLTO against 28 is really not bad.
Is it setting up here?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like starter and feeler there and see if it's gonna start to work. Looks like it put in a wick towards 28 just recently.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw a position on it against 28.
Okay.
So fairly tightish GLTO, but if you guys see the chart I'm looking at on GLTO, it's having trouble getting over that 28. It's tried Thursday, Friday, and even a little bit today. So it looks like it's cracking this little trend that it's on. A little spready, but so you just have to size appropriately for it.
Yeah.
But that thing could drop like 10 points. All right, that's all I'm with right now. CYPH, doing CYPH things.
That's so stupid. God, this price action, man. Yeah, that's gross. Let me see. I'll pull up the scanner here. Absolutely ridiculous. So yeah, AMEX up 100% now. That's the one that got it. Nothing else is even doing nothing. I mean, Zyme is the next thing up at 30 freaking percent, guys. SGML, huge seller at 7. Is that real?
SGML, dude. This thing is dumb.
Huge seller at 7, guys. Where did that come from? Did they just dilute? That thing might be going like, what the hell? Oh, it's a quantum computing company? Keep an eye on 7, see if they just blow back through it or if that ask stays heavy.
Let's see if it gets a dead cat bounce or something down here. SGML.
You're longing?
Well, I mean, I'll monitor the price action on it. Is it halt?
A
Man,
seller
this
at 7. See if that seller at 7 gets it eaten up or not. There it is right there. They're going to sweep it back over. Is it true? Oh, halting up. Wiki West.
Buy fear, sell euphoria. Yeah, now she's bouncing up a little bit from cracking the 7s. Oh, Amex halted down. Shoot.
Oh man, of course, of course.
Yeah, AMIX halting down. Now
Of course.
GLMD is doing a little red degree move. CMCT, why is so she's trying to spike up again after that zombie hour move on Friday?
Yeah,
It's not a ton of volume, but 850 to 920, dude.
Monday mayhem, man. Jeez.
Yeah, for real. IVVDs just went algorithmically up to 3. It's having some trouble there. It might be worth a stab. IVVD.
Yeah, I mean, might be the Bulls' playground right now. Step back a little bit, turn into a hybrid, shape shift into a warrior for a little bit, come back to the
I need to shape shift into a warrior. CYCU's right at a key level for a short. I may
Yeah,
540,
I
540.
mean, I made good money on it, and then I'm like I'm just in smaller now, kind of letting that thing vibe out, like deciding what it's gonna do.
CYCU or CYPH?
Oh no, CYPH, yeah, CYCU. Yeah. Okay, let me take another look at that too.
Yeah, CYCU. I'm a stab at right here. I kind of like the setup. It's got, back up towards like even the 70s is a good stop on it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, stabbed at it. I'm going to put the 570 exit on.
Okay.
So working GLTO CYCU at the moment.
Print it. Just print it.
And then CYPH is very tempting. This one's very aggravating. It did the sweep over 320, which I like. And then it kind of pulled back down. So I'm just going to
Yeah,
have to go smaller here. I am going to hit CYPH again, but
yeah,
smaller and
that's how
wider.
I am. It's like big picture, I like it, but I didn't like that micro sweep manipulation, so it could be like pumpy short term before like that, you know. Byron put it really well on Friday. He's like, we know they're coming back down. They always do. It's just like how long and how high are they going to hold it up for? Like, can you know,
Yeah.
withstand that chop? That's really the key with these trades. Like, you know, drown out in the front side waves. You know, wait for the water to clear. What are you guys looking at? Just sleeping out, right? Sleepy Monday, continuing that trend, kind of.
PACS MG. Yeah, PACS. Yeah, from 10 to 14. She just woke up.
CYPH, is it time for the backholder burial here? Or are we going to just keep pumping? Like, what are we doing?
Slowly motivate. Got the ZYME. Yeah, when I saw that after you guys took it, I'm like, oh, that was that was a great play this morning. I'm sure there'll be something else that sets up, but right now it's a little meh.
Meh.
PACS. What you looking at there, risk wise, MG? Pretty much right at a risk area, 1450 on the daily. It's not bad. 1450. All right, so they intend to release their earnings November 19th. That's the news. All right. Yeah, that 1450. Gotcha.
How's the spread on GLTO? Is it time? Is it finally time for that thing to kind of slip off?
Yeah, I like it, dude. I'm in it, and may have to size it. It's on TTP. It's about a 50-cent spread, though.
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing.
GLTO spread on Thinkorswim's 29 cents. PACS 1450, the risk guide there. Yeah, it's kind of in a little descending triangle there. I may get involved with that PAX here. Let me see. The spread's 30 cents, though. Let me get it tighten up a little bit. GLTO working out right now. Honestly, I may just work what's working. Like if that's going to be the play.
Yeah, and that's kind of what you have to do. Lean into what works.
CYPH back up to 320. I'm not a huge fan of that.
Yeah, it's really like that 330. Like it could manipulate and sweep out here, but if it gets above 330 and holds, then it's definitely not good.
All right. In those three right now, guys. GLTO, CYPH, CYCU, PACS. Good alert there, MG. Okay, it's just a little spready, but it isn't a descending triangle off of the 1450 risk. You just have to size to the 1450. And then it's on that VWAP right now. Yeah. That's decent, just a little spready.
Just wait for the margin call. SGML. That thing just gonna dump out here, man.
It looks like it. The 720s now are holding up really well. SGML.
Right. And then GLTO capitulation, guys. GLTO alert.
You in it?
Yeah, I sized that right in time. Well, I didn't size it, but I got a little something.
Yeah.
Getting
Let's
a little bit
freaking
more
go,
here.
GLTO. Let's go.
I just don't want to see a reclaim wick.
Yeah, this crack looks good, guys. GLTO. All we need is one, right? All we need is one. If GLTO is going to crack this trend and head on down south.
And then CYPH is starting to struggle a little bit more there. But I mean, we know what it can do.
IVVD has holding this level too well. It's like too scary for a short because it went straight up, but then it just went complete sideways, IVVD. So I don't know. I'm just going to kick back with that. AMIX hasn't been able to get back over that 145. Maybe worth a entry AMIX against. There we go, GLTO. 24s now. I'm going to kick back there, dude. That could be if today is the day for her to start up. This could
Oh,
be
yeah, that could be very fruitful. There could be endless fruit there.
the forbidden endless fruit.
See it flush to 20.
Yeah, that'd be helpful. I can't really size it right now because I'm on the fund at its volatility roll would mess me up.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, I guess it's been 8%.
It feels like it, but maybe AMIX at a clear level, guys. So keep your eyes on that. And this is on like no shares, dude. This like less than 4,000 or 5,000 on GLTO.
Yeah, exactly. Like the longs can capitulate.
CYPH looks like she wants to grind higher today, guys. I probably just stopped out of that position. Yep.
Yeah, piece of shit.
I tried it twice, CYPH.
Right. Yeah, you can only do so much.
AMIX getting rowdy, back up towards 145. CYCU is looking good. That one for backside. CYCU on alert right now, guys. I'm going to probably hit this one again. CYCU.
Okay.
Let me check the spreads. It's
14 cents.
Oh, my God.
Let me take a look at the tape. And SGML is kind of tempting off 7.3, 7.4. Only up 17% though. It's already gave the move. The move's already happened. So let's see.
All right. AMIX attempted a little break through the highs and didn't quite get it. So it's actually kind of tempting right here after that sweep up towards the highs. But yeah, CYCU is on alert, traders. That chart's really looking good. AMIX with the sweep up and didn't get the sustainable break. It's kind of on alert too for a continual fade. But yeah, CYCU, this chart looks really good. This 550 is a tough resistance line. It's not getting any momentum right now. The spread is what's kind of killer right now. I would hit it. But
CYCU.
yeah. If they tighten up a little bit on TTP, I'd hit it again.
Yeah, I mean, 4 or 5 could have a decent 50-cent fade there today. If it did have good earnings though, so it's got like a little something behind it, but the chart's starting to tell. Let's see.
AMIX still up there. SGML is real heavy under 720s.
Right.
Wally Gator, good morning. IVVD was your breadwinner on Friday, and
GLTO is very interesting here. If it's not going to get volume and reclaim, like I think it really capitulate.
short IVVD on the flag and adding more shares at 289. She breaks down there. Why it's holding up so well, Gator? That's what's weird about this. I mean, it's straight up, and then yeah, it's got this uptrend to it. It's hardly seen any profit taking. I mean, I like it. Just
Which one?
IVVD. I mean, it's
Okay.
and AMIX is having some trouble. Yeah, AMIX having trouble, guys, against the highs there. It's selling on off. It may even, we'll see what it does down here. But that's that dollar price range. And you know what they do with these, like the MTCs and the LFSs of the world, is they can be really trappy and tricky.
Yeah.
IVVD just crossed 3 and pulled back. Oh, that could be the entry right there. I'm gonna get involved with IVVD.
CYPH.
Off of that high. Sorry.
IVVD halt.
No, I'm gonna get involved with it off of that wick that I just put in. That upper wick there against that 307. So it's just real tight.
Okay. Yeah, what the hell's squeezing that thing today? Remember, it had a real strong reclaim Friday too, so
Yeah.
I don't know. Things starting to get a little sketchy to me.
Yeah, it is definitely sketch.
CYPH back at 320 Churney. CYCU bid crept up a little bit there.
Yeah, that might be an area to hit it more, right?
They put in that wick at 5 and came right back up to 5.5. I don't know, man. So,
IVVD, nice.
oh, nice. There you go.
Sometimes you just gotta wait for the wicks, guys. It feels good.
Yeah, yeah, the wicks for sure.
I'm gonna hit it again right here, 294, bringing down the stop to like 3. I just want to see it stay heavy profit take against 3 now that it already crossed over. IVVD, nice. Come on, let's keep selling off. So now I'm in a little bit more off of this crack. We're cracking trend line here. IVVD,
Yeah.
let's head on down south. Come on.
Dump it, girl. Go ahead and dump it, girl.
Dump it, no hands. Come on.
Dump it, girl. Go on, let it loose. What was the wick at? 307? Okay, yeah.
Yeah. A stop's probably way too tight on this, but I don't really want it back close to it. I want it to start selling off here.
Right. You want that to truly be the sweep. Like,
That's
that's what
yeah,
you're going off of.
exactly. So you have to define that, traders, like define what's validated, invalidated for you on the trade, and then make sure you stick to it. Like for me, I saw that sweep up there. I don't really want it back up there now. That felt like a little bit of a
There you
stop.
go, man. There's a lot of stairs hitting the bid, but it's not crashing yet. Come on. Stay true. CYPH, if 315 bid gets wiped, it might be continuing lower. It did wipe. CYPH getting sellers. Come on, 2 9s are cracking. And then GLTO.
Just print it. Just print it. Come on, baby.
Print it. Just print it. Come on, print it. Print it, print it.
Need it below. We need it lower, guys. I'm not going to get scared out of this. We did that. We did that upper wick. Let's see
We've
this
already
thing
done this,
keep-
getting scared out. We've already been there. We've already done that.
Again, my drawdown was because I never took profits. I was like, so I probably should.
Yeah, like depending on what time of day you're trading.
CYCU good.
See what
That
see
one
you just got
snapped a little bit. Oh man, well, it would have been the
Damn
area
it, the
probably to hit
bid
a
just,
little bit.
the bid was at 5.2, now it's at 5. Like, gotta be on point with these.
I know.
King of the day, nothing going. Amix, Zyme. We got Pax. Pax, is that a new pumper? $14 pump. It's up 35%. Pax. Should deal with that one. That's got a gap in the chart. What is this, Pax? CYPH dumping.
For real. I literally top ticked my exit at 333.
Such annoying, dude. I mean, it might not be done. It might bounce here off 3. Would be annoying if it actually does fade, though. IVVD, man. Good call on that sweep. So far, so good. Right here at VWAP, what's it want to do?
Yeah, my stop's still over 3. I really like. This would be beautiful if we can snap under here under VWAP.
Print it. Print it. Intends to release Q3. Is that what you were talking about earlier?
Yeah, I think so.
Or they intended to release? Well,
Yeah.
I might intend to short this to that gap. This Pax is a little tempting here. I mean, I'm gonna keep an eye on this chart.
That's funny.
It's not spready. Well, a little bit. It tightens up there though. But I mean, there's a clear gap under 12, sitting at 14. They intend to release earnings. Company announced that it was granted an extension to regain compliance. What the hell? Why do they need an extension? They're at $14. That's not sketchy. It's a weird Monday right now.
Yeah, I'm looking for this IVVD flush, guys. I know you guys probably are too. We caught it right after that sweep up there. Just come on, let's crack under VWAP. Let's make for a decent day. Come on, IVVD. Cracks under this, probably heading down to low 2.8s. Just need it to snap. Profit take. Come on.
Print it. Just print it. This Pax, man. What's the deal with this Pax?
Yeah, PACS. You're taking
Things
over.
like a brand new company, PAX.
Oh
I'm
wow!
only
It just did
seeing.
a sweep. It just did a sweep. It's real spready. It's kind of dangerous, but that's kind of the IVVD sweep right there. PAX.
Yeah, I mean, I kind of like this trade. Let me see the tape.
Not bad. Yeah, PACS not bad there on that sweep. SGML
There's a gap in
going
the
higher
chart.
a little bit. Amex looks done. I mean, that chart looks
CYPH under 3, guys.
so
Brandon.
CYPH is the death of me this morning. She is not
I
printing.
know, dude. It's been a weird. It's been a wiki morning. Been a wiki wonka kind of morning.
But I'm in
I'm gonna
3.
set my stop above that wick. Same idea, same concept. Hopefully that's the liquidation sweep. If it's not, it's fine.
Come on, IVVD. Come to Papa.
It's IVD.
Oh, she's heavy on this V.
Is she?
Yeah.
Print it. Print it. Print it. CYPH, like, do I want to cover here? Is it gonna just bounce again? Like, I don't trust this thing.
I got another song idea. Talking to myself. Us traders, we
Talking to yourself?
fades over there. Yeah, like you're adjusting my trade mid-trade. Wait, should I sell it? Should I buy it?
Especially before we started streaming, dude. I've been doing this for years, just sitting here like
just talking to yourself.
So CYPH, I see a big bidder right there at under 3. I covered for now. If it gets more bearish, I'll chase it with smaller size, but I don't know. That thing's kind of wiki wonky.
Come on, IVVD. She is heavy right here on the V. It's just turned into a slower play.
Wiki wonky.
Yeah, she's just trying to
wiki wonky.
I think GLTO adjusted stop like
PAX another slam down at that high. I mean, this thing could end up giving a point or two on this little pump here. I mean, it gapped from $10. All right. Not going to get in front of this thing, but I'm kind of starting to like it a little bit more.
Say no more. I'm going to take an entry.
A lot of volume, too. If you're on an eval. You have to worry about that.
It's too spready, though. I mean, I'm not going to give it like crazy room. Up towards
I'm only seeing 7-cent spread. I mean, for a $15 stock on TTP, that's like shit about as good as it's going to get, it feels like. But it might blow off 15 here. I mean, it's still kind of early. Let's see what it's going to do. Up 40%. Yeah, looks like it's
if it holds 15, I'm going to be done with it. It's going to probably break through it right here. So
yeah, like if it's going to sweep over it or is it going to pump over it? Like we know they're coming for the stops right at 15. Like that's should be expected.
All right, there's 15.
GLTO just kind of sleepy fade there. That'd be beautiful if that thing keeps fading a few more points.
Yeah, that would be really helpful.
15 rejection. Pack it up, guys. Pack it up and go home.
I just got it against 15-20 now. I'm not going to get much.
Literally, yeah, I'm right above 15-20s. Why intends to release third quarter earnings in 2 days? Like, why are you pumping? Why are you gapping up? Like, you just intend to release your earnings. Like, is that really valid?
Well, every company has to release their earnings. Come on now.
Yeah, like it's like a
SG.
compliance pump. It's like we're trying to get compliant. Yeah, let's buy it. Let's pump it. This thing is getting a lot of volume though. IVVD just stuttering out here at VWAP, which is not the best thing, but not the worst either. CYPH covered for now. That thing's just turned into the king grinder, multi-day grinder.
And then CYCU's been working out really well. It's under 5 now, guys. CYCU.
Nice. PAX, was that a... Should I get in CYCU? Is that what you're saying?
I don't know. This is like a profit-taking area probably for me, but she's got a lot of room down.
I think the news, like the earning news, kind of scared me a little bit. I got shaken out. Like I had an initial trade after hours just like you, looking for that same trade, but I covered prematurely, just baby green. It's kind of frustrating because it faded to like 5 this morning.
It
I was
could
there
just
like
be.
above
It could
6.
just be getting started too. It's hard to tell. GLTO has been she's just been great.
GLTO just confirmed again a little bit more for us, guys. If you're
Yeah,
not
she's
in that.
been a beauty.
It's tricky. You have to size it so small because like even 100 shares can just totally blow you up if it goes the wrong way.
Mm-hmm.
PAX floppy flippy. We just got another big rejection, but reclaimed over it. So yeah, it's like that 15-2. Pretty much do or die at that point. For now. IVVD, don't you curl up, man. I don't want to see that thing curl.
Are you in it? I mean, it could give you an entry if you're not in it.
I'm in it.
Oh, gotcha. I know.
I'm like break even right now, so it's like
CYCU, let's freaking go, dude. Print it.
Is it working out? There we go. Damn it, I just missed my entry there. Ah, nice trade, bro. Good work. Good work. Just missed that one. I was about to smack it at 5-2. It's gross.
Hmm.
I know. Soon. What else we got, guys? U1K new pump. CYCU, beautiful. That was the play of the day.
Yeah, I mean, we were kind of on it with either that one or CYPH. CYPH just got a little.
CYPH is BS us.
Yeah.
That was complete BS. And then PAX is getting real wicky here at that key 15-2 level. So I thought I was going to get stopped out, but I'm right above that top now. IVVD, we want to see that rejection wick.
Oh, nice. Very good IVVD. Yeah.
That's exactly what we want to see there. And GLTO, go ahead and just dump. Just go ahead and just halt down to 18. CYPH though has that feel like they just might like capitulate it. It keeps getting this random like influx of volume, but like not always bullish. It's kind of sketchy. SGML, bro. SGML. Is it time to smack that thing? SGML on the short cover spree idea. Dude, there's a huge seller at 8. What's about to happen here? I'm taking a small feeler, guys. SGML. You seeing what I'm seeing?
IVVD's at a key level. I'm looking at that right now.
Okay.
It cracked VWAP, but now it's right back on it, or it's testing it out again. Going below VWAP. SGML. Let me take a look.
Yeah, SGML. Big seller at 8. Sloppy levels. I took a feeler here. I'm gauging how this 8 reacts. If they eat it up and push it higher, then I'll just cover. But this might be resistance here. Very interesting on the tape here, guys. CYPH, I don't want to miss that move. It's going to elevate her. I'm keeping an eye on that. Because that thing is like the one that's up the most, right? CYPH.
Yeah.
I might stab a little bit here again off 320, 311s.
I'm taking 2 L's on it. That's
Oh,
tough.
yeah. Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
I like it, but I'm getting into the
Enter in
point.
that gray area for you, for sure.
Yeah, exactly.
But that's good, though, because that forces discipline, right? If we don't have a rule like that, we're just going to keep hitting stuff and keep trying and be loose and be, like, wiggly with our rules. And, like, that's how we blow up. You got to be rigid with your rules. It's the end all be all. Like how you said, well, IVVD, you're like, you know, the trade idea worked and then it confirmed again with that wick down. So I would maybe just bring your stop now down past that last wick up, right? Like something like that.
Yeah, that's essentially my entry. 296 is my
So I'm
average.
just scaling my stops down now on that one.
Man, dude, come on. It was like going complete sideways on VWAP, cracked under it. Now popping up a little bit, but she's just kind of slow. Might happen.
Yeah, I just drag my stops down. If you feel yourself kind of tunneling in because maybe you're too big, just take a little bit off. Scale your stops, you know, keep it pushing. Unless you're really convicted and you're sizing in it, looking for, you know, a big trade.
No, I mean, I'm pretty much break even there.
Then it would make more sense to kind of tunnel.
Yeah, just well, yeah, the stops at break even. If it doesn't work out, be all good. If she does work, it'll make for a really nice day, though. Got to just have more patience with some of these. Just want to try to like distract myself from those entries because set the stop and just move along. AMIX, dude, this thing's been really heavy. It's on the 120 AMIX.
SGML is very interesting. The longer it doesn't get above 8, guys.
That would be such a massive reclaim on SGML.
Like SGML feels like our bread and butter setup. Like, because it's a clear risk level, right? We had a big death candle sell off. So, I mean, you're not giving yourself too much more room on the upside, but the risk reward is there. IVVD looking great. CYPH, reclaim, big surprise.
Nice, IVVD. Very nice. Like that.
SGML, guys. Sizing this thing. And packs. It better not reject that 1550 and dump.
So it looks like GLMD. They're trying to slowly curl up with Amix falling off. It's like
And CYPH is trying to get more momentum. That thing might be pump again to 4 now.
Thank God I didn't take the short there. That chart's all over the place, man.
Yeah, that chart's such bullshit. See, that's the type of stuff that eats your account, guys. I've been calling it since the bell. Like, they wicked us out at bell. Like, you know, you got to have that, draw that line in the sand. How many losses are you going to take? Like, I made money on it to begin with this morning, so I gave a little bit more wiggle room. But now it's at that point, profit management. Like, I've given back my profits from that trade. Like, I got to step away now. Like, got to be done with that name. SGML really has my attention. I mean, you can set your stop above 8. Like, it's 8 is becoming kind of like a brick wall there almost. Remember, it just flushed to under 6. So, like, let's see what 8's going to do. It almost feels too good to be true. Like, they're going to pop it above 8. But like you said, how much more are they going to reclaim it? Same token.
I have a little PTSD from IVVD on Friday though. That thing had such an insane reclaim.
So you're like keeping your eyes peeled on it. You're like just waiting for that MTC reclaim.
Yeah, dude. IVVD sold off from 3 down to 2.
Speaking of which, dude, we gotta bring MTC back up, bro.
Oh no.
It's looking good again, dude.
She spikes every single day, dude. And it hasn't spiked yet today. But yeah, it's right on that 220 line. Right on that 220 line.
It's put in like a quadruple top at 2.5s. So that's a decent risk level.
And I got
But
top ticked on Friday on this thing.
just
She's
endless
the
amounts
best
of
at me.
pain. Just
She's
endless
like the
pain.
I know. I've lost so much
Endless
money on
pain.
MTC.
Endless
It should be a
amounts.
blacklist for me. A blacklister. Uncle Cash, I'm on Thinkorswim and then Trader Evolution with Trade the Pool.
Yeah, Uncle Cash in the building.
Uncle, we like the uncle. We like having an uncle named Cash in here. So those are good vibes. SGBX,
Especially when we're printing.
yeah.
Typically when we're printing.
SGBX
Man, this
Gator.
SGML, guys, like you can, it's one of those trades where you can just size the hell out of it and put your risk tight, and like really reap a good dump.
I love a good dump.
SGML. What's this? Oh,
Yeah, it's
Pat.
got
Okay.
that. It really feels like they're gonna push it over 8 though. They might not.
Yeah.
They might not. But that's where liquidity is. They might try it.
Yeah, I could see like that sweep over 8, but I definitely want to be involved here in case they don't sweep it.
Mm-hmm.
And MTC, I'm gonna take a baby starter there. Just thinking dump 50% at any point and going over that.
All right, I'll join you if I have to.
I'll set my stop like mid 2.5s, probably scale at 2.5 and 2.6 ish, and just take, just kind of feel it out from here.
Yeah. All right. MTC does look good. A lot of upper wicks towards 3. Hasn't been able to get it. I'm still with IVVD, but she's going sideways here, guys. I mean, my stop's at 298 on the short side, IVVD, but
Print it.
yeah, I'd like to print it on this one, IVVD, and then I'm with GLTO as well. I'm really kicking back with GLTO though, because this chart looked too good. I mean, I took a short up near 26 and it's cracked this trend it was on. So, I mean,
Yeah,
honestly, there's a lot of
GLTO. I like GLTO a lot. Yeah, that looks good.
I'm not coming.
SGML, the 8 broke like you predicted. I called that one. Read it like a fiddle.
And then IVVD.
Yeah, usually when you have like a big bid or a big ask, it's actually a trap, like an inverse trap. We've went over that before.
IVVD bouncing a little bit right there. MTC, I might size this. It's getting close to 220.
It's giving that textbook trickle vibe right now. IVVD curling around.
Yeah, I'm hitting it again. I'm hitting MTC again, guys. If it does break down under 220, probably going to be a wrap for this ticker. MTC. I'll show that chart again. IVVD, a little annoying. Yeah, probably just stopped out of that one. Yeah.
Yeah, that uptrend it put in was kind of brutal. Yeah.
Gave it a decent shot.
Right. Yeah, I mean, some things are just not following through today, man. Monday chop, like that's what we're seeing. MTC, I'm as well, sizing that thing as well. And go ahead, guys. Just go on, market makers. I know you're listening to us. You see us sizing.
It's right on this line, dude. It's right on this line. MTC is, guys, it's right on this line that for like 2 weeks it's been bouncing off of, but right now there's no volume and heavy on it. So if it cracks under this, it's probably going to be a profit party. Just FYI for the shorts. Cash, thanks. Yeah, appreciate that. Yeah, Uncle Cash, we go live daily over here and over at Trade the Pool. I'm over there Tuesday and Thursdays. But yeah, we're always finding stocks to trade. Yeah, MTC. I want to kick
Yep,
back
good,
there.
bad, ugly, and everything in between around here.
Yeah, we're fully transparent up in here. It's like we have good days, we have bad days. It's just the nature of trading, you know. It's not the equity curves are never just straight up, you know. But you want them certainly moving in the right direction.
Hacks.
CYPH. Thank God I did not stab at that thing again.
It's pumping back up. Yeah,
That ticker is so manipulated. Oh my
that's just
God.
gross. I know, man. These manipulated market hour tickers have been the death of me, dude. Like they really have. I can't stand it. Like I have a lot of success pre and post, and then it's like something every day just manipulates the hell out of me. Market hour is what it feels like.
Hmm.
It's like rinse repeat at this point.
And then just making sure we, avoid that for our
Right. Like that's why we've at this point we're so rigid with our rules. Like we're only given king of the days like so much ammo like I talked about. Like every day we go to war in the market, we only have so many bullets we can shoot. Like with our capital, with our mental capital and
Yeah.
physical capital. So it's like we can't be trying to shoot a boss that's hard to take down. Like look for an easy target, snipe it. It's like we're trying to fight the hardest boss with the king of the day chop. It's
Yeah,
like
like those backside
sometimes
plays,
that's going to kill you. Sometimes you're not going to beat it. Like it's a good way to look at it if you're a gamer.
Exactly. Like this 550 on CYC, you guys. I was like, alert, alert. This thing looked way too good. And without any
Hmm.
volume, this is what it does. Drops nearly a point now on nothing. And the chart looked fairly similar on CYPH, and she's up a ton. But this is a good lesson today. It's like, okay, the one that doesn't work, don't fight it. And the one that does work, lean into it. And then you should,
Hmm.
that should be paying out fairly well.
Because like this isn't about being right and like feeding your ego. This is about survival and making money. Like, and I
Yeah.
think that's where a lot of traders get twisted. They let their ego and their pride get too much involved in these trades, and it's like, no, you got to learn to just be wrong and be fine with it.
Mm-hmm.
Some people, that's hard for some people.
Oh yeah, definitely. I mean, there's a
It's like
lot
it's
to it.
that internal battle, the internal psychological battle that we go over a lot. GLTO, good girl.
SGBX guys, yeah, I like this now. 320 level SGBX potentially.
And then SGML guys did that little pump up over 812, but now it's trickling down again. Just keep an eye on that thing. Remember, there's a huge seller there. So as Kevin pointed out, they got their liquidity over 8, and now what is it going to do?
SGML, a lot of resistance 320s, guys. Kind of an alert here. I like it again. I'm gonna start at 302 and
Which one? SGML?
SGBX. It's kind of
Okay.
steppy-ish, stair steppy-ish, but a lot of resistance up through like 320. So I'm gonna give it up there,
Okay.
up and over 320s. Like probably 325-ish. I'm probably going to hit it again up towards 320.
GLTO, man. Like this is beautiful because it's been doing this, but it's been reclaiming it, right? Like it's actually like staying kind of heavy, what it feels like.
Mm-hmm. All right. IVVD didn't take profits and she curled around. So SGBX, let's see what she's going to do. I like this level a lot. SGBX is.
I just print it.
But don't want to get involved in. Just don't want it to stair step. I just see that upper wick up towards 320s, which is what you want to see. It's what we saw with IVVD. And then if you look at the volume.
IVVD. Are you still watching that one? Or are you covered? I just put a
I,
big put a candle in. Let me see if that's gonna stay heavy though.
I
That's just a wick down.
Okay. Yeah, I had a 298 stop, which
Yeah,
was
I stopped out. I was going to give it a little more wiggle room, but I didn't like that reclaim pattern it put in. And that could have been a bullish liquidity sweep it just did, guys. So just keep an eye on that thing. Looks like that might be what it is. Bullish sweep. I just noticed the candle. Gonna hit the head.
Okay. Yeah, SGBX, a similar thing with IVVD. And then if you look at the IVVD, this is what throws you in tilt mode. You guys got to be careful with it because you top tick, a few plays, and it just that's what gets me riled up. Like I hate top ticking. It's probably the worst for me. I get emotional after that, and then it makes you want to hit it again, and then you're taking a sloppy entry, and then you get stopped out on that. So that's why I'm trying to really be patient and consider, is this a good entry or am I taking a tilted trade? SGBX kind of going sideways here, popping back up a little bit. Again, the 320 is what I want to see if it holds up against. You think I know. I think that's where I can definitely see that happening too with IVVD, and that's why I'm a little annoyed because I'm like, oh, they just shot it back up, sloppy seconds, and back down. All right, SGBX getting a little rowdy here, guys, and then IVVD back heavy on VWAP. SGBX, I'm monitoring right now, just this 320 level. Surprising this one is doing what it's doing. After, this is the 5-day chart, so she was a hangover on Friday and sold all of that back on down. It's given all those longs an exit that were stuck in this thing from right here on up. It's a good level to get involved with. Me likey. Kind of stair-steppy a little bit. Looks like it might break up through 320.
All right, what we got? Reclaim City?
SGBX is reclaiming Friday's levels, dude. I like this chart a lot. I just see what they do with it here. Got clear risk levels. Really nice risk levels from Friday or Thursday,
SGBX.
SGBX. A lot of 340, just depending on how much you want to give it. There's a lot of resistance. 320 on up to 350, really. But something keeps holding this thing up, and she's climbing higher.
Seems to be the theme for a lot of plays, huh? Something keeps holding it up.
Yeah. Yeah, the orders just keep popping up on the bid.
For which play?
SGBX.
Yeah.
Sitting at highs.
Yeah, pumping up. Yeah, that thing's pumping. Fresh pump. PAX, AMEX. AMEX gave a nice fade off that initial rally. PAX is grindy, expensive grinder. SGML, what a freaking reclaim! Like this reclaim theory is just getting kind of crazy, guys.
And
Like,
IVVD's been
what kind of reclaim patterns are these? Like total death candle into just a reclaim over everything. And we saw that yesterday or Friday with the IVVD, right? Just like an abnormal aggressive
Mhm.
reclaim, like same thing. Just what in the hell? Frustrating action there.
Hmm. I'm gonna put a stop like 327 on it, guys. SGBX. I'll give it up to 327. That'll be it for me on it. It's kind of looks like it might shoot up through 20 as well.
Yeah, today was a tricky day because like there wasn't many backside plays that were working, and yeah, it's just been kind of a tricky day, right? A
Mm-hmm.
little choppy, nothing set up crazy good. Couple good trades presented themselves with the market hour chop and the reclaim theme. Has been pretty gross.
Okay. Decent ask just popped up on SGBX. All right, here we go. Maybe this is the sell off. Oh, yep, there we go. SGBX alert.
Nice. Go on, sell it off, girl.
At 320 level actually held up pretty good, guys. Let's see if we get a halt down on it. It's right back down to VWAP. Yeah, lots of orders stacking up on the ask. Oh, baby. There we go. Come on.
Nice, dude. Looks like it dropped 20, 30 cents.
Yep.
Good stuff. Yeah, good eye there. I mean, there wasn't much working, but that thing kind of snuck up and grinded up.
Yeah, the Magic 20 held up really well there. Might provide a sloppy seconds entry here on this pop. Mr. AK in the building. Good to see you in here, AK. ONDS, I saw that one and it reminded me of you because I know you were trading that at the end of last week, and someone else got it, the ONDS on backside hangover. Oh my God, yes. Sweet.
See?
Baby Jesus, that's been a slip and slide.
Oh, wow. Nice. Where the hell that thing came out of the woodwork? We missed that one.
CYCU is the one we were trading, Josh. This one's similar pattern, but just selling off. And how's your world been going over there, Josh? It's been like, today, Mondays are often like this, where you just have to like really let the dust settle and snipe some good plays out. Like I'm working GLTO is on the backside. I think Fades you're working that too, and that's
Yeah.
cracking a nice trend, Josh. I was, it had a decent breakout pattern if volume would have came into it, but because there's no volume in this name, it just provides a nice sleepy backside play when it's up so much. 490 up here to 26.
Mm-hmm.
Gator SGBX, you caught that one? Yeah, the 20s were good. It was the price action was sketching me out a little bit. I wanted to give it a little bit more room over the 20s, but yeah, 320 held up. Maybe one I even size into on this pop against the highs. Let me just see how she's going to play out here. It's been a fairly cleanish day. I mean, there's not like nothing crazy either way, you know. Been a couple of decent good green trades and
Yeah.
taking some good L's, so nothing too
Yeah.
crazy.
Pretty level.
Pretty level.
It's quieter than I expected for Monday, though. I will say that, especially like pre-market. So we're just continuing that trend.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I had a feel. I thought maybe that GNS, like the fact that they were a cheap play and they were like filing a lawsuit against like Citadel and whatever the short sellers. I thought that might cause like a rally, stir things up, but market's just too sleepy for it. No one bought it up. So that was interesting over the weekend, but it just didn't get that follow through.
Yeah.
Like that could have been one of those plays that sparks a whole new momentum rally, but you know, didn't happen.
Momentum rally.
Momo rally.
I love those Warrior Momo rallies.
Right, because you know what comes after that. GLTO lower, guys.
Yep. GLTO, great. Love it. It's spready, guys. I mean, like, again, it's not.
It's not like you can just slam it, right? Like you got to slow scale this bad boy. Like definitely not one you can slam with big size and try to just make something happen. Like you're gonna get annihilated in the spreads and the movement.
Yeah.
SGML, I really can't believe it reclaimed all that. But if you haven't tried it yet, like 8.5 is probably a good risk level here. But I mean, this reclaim theory is weird, and it's an energy lithium, kind of play. So those can be a little trickier as well. MTC lower trickle, guys.
I
Just
saw
keep
that.
an eye out for that 50-cent
You
spike.
can't say TC because that's like saying red rum or whatever in the mirror. You can't. MTC is like an evil name. You cannot.
Literally, dude. Like these Japanese, man, they have some weird karma going on. Like or Chinese, whatever ticker this is. Crazy stuff, scary stuff.
Bloody Mary, whatever it is. That's like MTC. She's awful, awful ticker. You just can't say the name.
Just god awful.
SGBX, I have a 302 average on SGBX. I'm considering what I want to do here because it's heavy under VWAP. I'm like, do I want to size this or do I want to lock in something and just leave leftovers to fade? I'm trying to think what I want to do on this ticker because it slammed quick. So I imagine there's some longs overhead that are going to bleed this thing out. Man, that was a good eye. Whoever caught that. Somebody brought this up, and then we saw the 320 hit.
Yeah, good call there. I wasn't able to join you guys.
Gator mentioned it. Nice. Credit where credit's due. Emmanuel, SNDX saved your booty today. Green Day would be deep without it. Okay, good. Glad to hear it. We talking Little Caesars green, or are we talking Papa John's green? What are we working with, Emmanuel? We're going to have a green team party. ANVS MG. ANVS, yeah, there's a pump right there. ANVS going on. Nice. Okay, so that was ANVS had ANVS, a little bit of a squeeze, 50-day, 200-day, squeezing together on the daily. Steakhouse. I love it. Steakhouse green. All right. Let's go. We talking like, when I was in college back in the day, my cousin and I were roommates, and we go to the Dollar Tree, and they had steaks in the frozen section that were like pickle thin.
Oh yeah.
Awful. That's all we had to work with, though, man.
Hey man, humble times, humble beginnings. I remember those days.
So we talking that. Man, we talking Ruth. Oh shoot, SGPX just dumped to 260s. 260s SGPX. Oh my god.
You got leftovers? You covered 210? Wait, oh no, that's wrong ticker.
260s. Nah, that's why. Oh my god, dude. No, I didn't. I wish I had an order out down there for profit.
Wow.
But yeah, I got hurt
Oh
on
man. See, this is like, especially on slower days like this, you can't ignore the negative or the losers list, right? The leading losers, like 1G, if you want to showcase that chart, like I'm really
1G.
upset. Yeah,
How do you?
1G.
Okay.
It's like you can catch a backside like that, and it's just like, look at all that fruit. It started to fade, I think, Friday or Thursday. It was at
Yeah.
like $5 on Friday, and now it's at like two something. It's just like sometimes when the market's real slow, just find the top losers list and hop on a trend. Ride that thing down. It's a whole nother strategy that we don't really talk about, but
Dude,
it's
those halts were brutal. It halted here 820 and opened up at 590. Oh my god.
and it's like if you would have saw that in real time and then that reclaim, man, what a good short that would have been. Shoot. But yeah, that was a backside fruit. And CYCU, oh my god, 4 4s now. Are you still working that thing?
No,
Wow.
painfully.
Yeah, that one's painful. Missed my entry there. YSG. That sounds like a sketchy ticker. YSG down 20% today. $5.
Not freezer steak. The rib, yeah, and then they have those like trucks, that go out there and try to sell those ribeye steaks. Oh
Yeah.
my goodness, they're so bad.
SGML. A bit of sellers here.
Yeah, okay, that one might be topping out a bit, but yeah,
It's been
she's fighting
choppy
that
though.
open. She's fighting that open, kind of sideways action.
Yeah, it's been choppy turning.
CMCT woke up, by the way, but I've avoided mentioning that one because it's too sketch. CMCT is way too sketch to get involved with.
She woke up, but we're not gonna touch her. Look, don't touch.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, MTC, I kind of want to just jump in bed with her, and this thing's fading on out. I mean, I'm in it, but just not in that big. We went over. We have massive PTSD from that ticker.
You're wanting to jump in bed and get in what?
One knee.
Awful. PAC S is higher, guys. PACS. This is why you don't fight,
Right?
guys.
Yes, exactly. We established it. We're like, okay, if that's not the sweep, then we're done. And like that's how you survive, guys. Can't tunnel in on a loser. Never that. No matter what. Never that. You just can't be part of the process.
Anvis is good. MG brought that one up against 320 now. 320 looks pretty good right there. It's back on the VWAP. It's cracking a trend.
News or anything, or just up 30%.
Data from phase 3 trial and early Parkinson's demonstrates butanetap halted cognitive decline across overall patient count.
DGNX is another one, guys. DGNX fresh pump. What's up with this one?
DGen. That sounds like our ticker.
Yeah, degenerates. Let me see if there's any news here. It's spready, but it's up, pumped a little bit. DG. Got spread, but DGNX, no news.
No news is good news these days. It's probably an avoid. DGNX. Fundamentals are fundamentals, and no news is good news. That's how the market irrationality is.
Yeah, and the chart is pretty sketchy. Like if you zoom out. The history of bumping.
AMIX alert, dude. AMIX kind of good. Tight risk 130s.
Yeah, up 100 or up 70% still.
Mix.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
AMIX looking
Yeah, that trade was
juiced up
pretty
right
good there. It could be a trap, so don't get too,
Yeah,
aggressive, but it doesn't look bad.
against even 131 too.
Yeah.
That's tempting.
Are they going to sweep it one more time, or is it nightmare zone? One more sweep, or the nightmare to begin?
They actually had phase 3 decent news, right? This AMIX.
Let me see. Remember, fundamentals. If they have good news, it's a short.
Okay, yeah, true. It looks really
Trading higher after the company reported first in human study showing potential quality of life improvements. So it's
They've
like
been trapping shorts on these
a
cheap plays, like
yeah,
trapping shorts, and it's just been a nightmare with these.
yeah. Something tells me. Yeah.
SGBX, I'm slightly annoyed with SGBX because that thing flushed a ton. Sometimes it's really good to just have orders out to take profit.
No news is good news sometimes for bulls, but like until the trend breaks, right? Because then it's like if there's no news and the trend cracks, like that's when it can really pay as a short because the momentum is less to sustain. People are just buying off the trend, but they don't have that news story to keep holding and hoping for, right?
Yeah.
So that's kind of a different way to look at it as well. Like waiting for confirmation on the no news bumps instead of getting front side because we know once they confirm that the lights are probably going to turn out. So that could be a way to look at it.
The lights are out, Motel 6. Oh, man. All right. Yeah, let's flip through a few more, see what we're working with. Just MTC, SGBX, and GLTO are all those three working those. SGBX is kind of heating up a little bit. I don't mind smacking it again against even the highs. To me, it feels heavy against these highs, 320.
SGBX.
Yeah, it's given kind of a sloppy entry here. Flopping around, you got to give it a little bit of wiggle room. Stop for me is still over 3. Really like 320. Man, she's curled all the way back up here, though. Slightly annoying. But I'm gonna give her another love tap up here. Another love tap, SGBX.
Okay.
Tighten the stop just a little bit. 3.
Oh, we can't trade BGNX.
SGBX. Are you asking about the ticker I was mentioning?
Yeah. DG. I was looking at.
SGBX. Oh, you're looking at DGen.
Yeah, DGen's not tradable. SGBX. Yeah. Still got my eye on SGML. I feel like this is a good entry level. If the trade works out, like the risk reward is really juicy here. MTC, man, sleepy fade, sleepy trickle. Like, you're right, dude. Just even talking about things is just a curse in itself. SGML, Snapple, Crackle. Yeah, MTC, man, I might have to scale this thing a little bit more if it's going to just sleep out like this.
I'm not liking this. curl all the way back up on SGBX. I might.
No, it's just not up enough, man. The Warriors need something. The Warriors need something to go, and that's been a previous pumper. That's my analysis on it. Only up 40%. Like,
Yeah.
and SGML is only up 35%, but it's at like a better level. What seems as short. Let me take a look at the chart. Yeah, I do not like that chart, bro. That's a super sketchy bullish liquidity sweep to 2.6, and then textbook curl right back up. Like, what in the hell? But at the same token, this could be a perfect short
I'm
level
out of
to
it.
smash it from here.
I'm out of it. I'm
I don't like
slightly
that
annoyed
number.
because I was up.
SGML alert, guys. If this thing cracks 8 and stays, like, remember, like, we got a lot of meat there. It washed to 6 as before, so who says it can't go back to 6 something?
So damn
No.
sketch.
Yeah, it's a little sketchy out here right now. A little
Yeah,
sketchy.
SGML's not bad against those.
I've been
8
stalking
figures.
that thing. It's probably my favorite trade right now. Between that and GLTO, but it's just GLTO, I have PTSD, like with these other tickers, just see a random spike. So, and then
Mhm.
MTC, man, MTC, like, it just seems, again, too good to be true. Like, what are they going to do? Like,
Oh, that's going to be so fruitful if she's on that line right now. MTC 220, she's on the line. Like, this is do or die. And well, the last 2 weeks it's bounced here, but it's got no momentum coming through it. So here's the chart. We keep cracking this 220 right now. Likely flushing. Likely flushing. So yeah, Fades and I are in this MTC right now. We like it for a leg down,
yeah.
especially because it's up on nothing too.
Are you in that Amex? Or are you out of it?
And, no, I never took it.
I
AMI
took a
X1.
feeler, but I don't know if I like it. I mean, I'm break even on 300 shares. I'm just like, I don't even know if I
Yeah,
want to sit on it. I think I might cut it. I mean, it's like, it could go either way. Really could. But MTC couldn't. That thing's starting to fade out
she's
for her.
looking good right now, guys. MTC. I mean, it's not like there's not a lot of volume here, but she's trickling
And
down.
remember, it came from like 50 cents. Like, this was a total junk pump. Like, it was totally irrational. Felt like
So
just a short squeeze, really. Like,
this could be the day where she heads down under 2 for sure. We'll see. What we don't want to happen is this lower wick to form under this line. Like, it's under the line right now. We want to see it stay heavy and start selling off right now.
can GLTO really stay heavy from here and fade? Like, is it in the possibility of the realm of possibilities?
I think so. Yeah, I mean, it's cracked key levels. 2550s the resistance there.
MTC behaving well. Good girl.
I can't believe it hardly.
I can't either, and I don't want to stay believing it because we know how this goes. We've been down this road before. I walked down the sidewalk. Yeah, CMCT, it was hiding in the closet, but now it's coming out. It's up 40%, guys. What's the deal there? What's the story there? CMCT.
Oh, wow.
It's a sketchy chart. It's a gamma squeeze chart. Not really, but it's definitely a squeezy chart.
And very spready.
Yeah, pinchy, spready, squeezy.
I can't believe she's curled back up, dude. This thing's at 13 now. Sketch City. I don't think I'm gonna touch it. Just gonna stare from a distance.
Yeah, look, don't
With
touch.
just with my binoculars, be that creep.
Look, don't touch. I don't know why that's so funny. The way you said it that one day.
Just with that southern drawl. I'm gonna
Yeah.
look now, but
Look,
I
don't touch.
ain't gonna touch you now. They're,
Yeah.
it's way too sketch, this thing.
I'm dragging and dropping stops on SGML, starting to behave well. She was a little rowdy. She didn't want to cooperate there for a minute, but starting to feel good there.
Yeah, lower. Good work. It started to feel like, yeah, it was slowing down a bit now. Looking good.
GLTO, I did trim some just because PTSD, but I'm looking for that thing to continue dropping, obviously, too.
Yeah.
And then MTC, I've been slowly scaling that thing, looking for it to stay heavy here.
MTC.
Looking and touching, y'all. Looking and touching.
That gets you in trouble. I'm going to touch, but I ain't going to look. How about that? That'll get you in trouble with trading.
Yeah, that'll get you in a lot of trouble. That's for sure. Yeah, you're on the money with that one.
CMCT, guys, cranking up.
Look and touch. SGML, a lot of volume, a lot of sellers. Ooh, huge 25,000 shares just hit. I'm going to cover and resmack lower. See what's going to happen.
Mr. Perfect Fall back in the building. You make it to your meeting today? Yeah, I mean, it's looking, meh, little meh. I mean, CMCT is getting all rowdy right now. That's where the Warriors are congregating. Yeah, outside of that, it's been just like we got MTC and GLTO fading. They're fading fairly well right now. MTC's cracking a decent line. It needs to crack. Stay heavy here.
SGML is the other one I'm stalking.
SGBX kind of effed me. Perfect Fall, that play. Yeah. This reclaim right here, it's like maybe a decent level to still risk off of the highs, but it sold off to 260 and then popped right back up to 310. I was looking for it to, I stopped out up there. Didn't want it to get close up there to the highs.
Mm-hmm.
Sketchy chart though. But otherwise, I mean, the mean win. Amex looks pretty good, heavy under VWAP. I know Fades is working SGML now too. 820s, decent risk SGML. Yeah, I just got MTC GLTO. If those keep working, it's going to be a fine day. But otherwise, not much green if they're going to not cooperate much.
Yeah, I'm about break even right now. Had a good pre-market and then chopped at Bell and made a little bit back. Same song and dances as we continue to talk on.
Mm-hmm.
What's up? I'm on stream. I need to move it?
Yeah, please.
Here you go. You want to say hey to everyone, Mom?
Hey, everyone.
You can't see because I got my other stuff.
Hey, Mom. Hope you guys have a good time.
Okay. All right.
CYPH is very interesting against the 330s. She finally might be giving it up. All right, I'm gonna try CYPH one more time, guys. This is it. Do or die for me.
Oh God, are we back to we full circle back to that piglet? What's it doing?
Yeah, against 330, I think it's tested that out.
Okay.
Times.
Yeah, I see where you're looking. See what's going on here.
That's it for me on it, though. I mean, it's up a lot. If volume's gonna start to trickle out here around lunchtime. If it does, I like this ticker to sell off a bit, but I'll give it one more try.
Did this Sigma Lithium company? Did they have fundamentals? What's going on here?
Mama fades. Yeah,
What's that? Oh, my mom popping up? Yeah.
mama fades.
That's hilarious, right?
Y'all got anything going on today? Just hanging out.
We had a pretty big day yesterday. We drove to see other family like an hour and a half through the mountains, so we're kind of just kicking back today. Dad's down there looking at his portfolio. I'm up here grinding.
Looking at
But
your
it's feeling like a
portfolio.
slow day. You know, I'm with the family this week, so I'm gonna practice even more so, like, you know, not over trading, just waiting for the setups. Like, it's gonna continue to sleep out. I'll just go chill with them. Come back from
Yeah.
my bread and butter at like after hours, and then I'm still up early for the pre-market fruit, but maybe step back from the market trading a little bit this week. Let's see.
Yeah, I'll revisit probably come end of day and see what kind of volatility we're working with.
Yeah, we have setups like if you show back up at like 3 o'clock. The most annoying part is the auto liquidation at 350 though. Like, I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty annoying. But you can take plays into after hours. Like we went over that a good bread and butter strategy on stream Friday is like paying attention to the after hours faders. Like the top gainers will end up being faders in after hours.
Mm-hmm.
And you can leverage the Webull charts and data and the scanners for free and you know break down all that data and see like what's fading, what's pumping. Yeah, a lot of meat to pick at 4 o'clock if you guys can be around. And maybe with time we'll even do a stream or we could hop in like voice chat together or something like that, call stuff out. It could be a future idea for the after hour session.
Yeah. Well, I want to grow it, guys. I mean, we got a decent chunk in here from X and YouTube today, about 30 or so in here. And I know
Cool.
some don't stay the whole time, so it's growing. The green team's growing. Join the Discord. It's in the description below. We're active on there. If we're not live, we're active in there, throwing out alerts and whatnot. But yeah, smoked tuna in the building. What's going on? Bonjour. CYPH. I'm in this for this fade now. Let's go. Come on. Crack this bottom trend line, CYPH.
Okay.
It's
You know we're
11
not
o'clock.
allowed to do this alone.
Yeah.
You're not
I
allowed to
know.
jump on that ship alone again.
I
Is it a
know.
sinking ship or is it a space shuttle?
It's the third trick pony. This is she's got some
This
holes in her.
thing, I don't think the market's strong enough. I think the Warriors are about ready for nap time. Like, I
Yeah.
don't think they're going to continue to play on the playground all day like this. I don't see it. I'm with
If I
you.
if I
Short this
moved
pretty
our
back to $2, guys.
yeah, if I moved our nasty faces out of the way, you could see this volume's just going down, trickling down if you look at the volume chart. So it's the Warriors they're gone
hmm
at 11 o'clock. It's
It's a very
CYPH.
slow day. It's been a weird day, not much follow through kind of day. So yeah, the Warriors could definitely capitulate here.
MTC looking good still, man. This is 220s holding up now. So
Mhm.
220s, we got this at 225.6 or so. We got a fade going on MTC. Maybe today's the day she cracks that line. Outside of that, kicking back with the GLTO snap and then Smoke Tuna bringing up CMCT. We've been monitoring that, but it's the wild west over there on CMCT. So we're just
Yeah, there will be a trade there. There might be right this
maybe
second, but
hangover
the
too.
Warriors, you know, some people have congregated there on the long side, so just keep a careful eye out.
Yeah,
Yeah, just letting a
absolutely.
couple of these work.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm in
bounce.
four right now. In four right now, so spread out. You're probably
Got your
in the same ones, huh?
got your portfolio spread out. All except SGML. You're with, right? I'm
Yeah,
not with that one.
yeah, that one is. I took a little bit of profit again. Let me see what it's going to do. If it's going to reclaim this 8 support. I don't want to stick around too long for that.
All right, man. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna have to head out here. I got some stuff to take care of. I got someone just backed straight up into me yesterday in the parking lot. I gotta
Yeah,
go.
no.
It's so stupid.
Dude, I hate that. That happened to me like a couple weeks ago. I went to the gym and I came back out and there's like shattered glass and I got a big dent on my driver door. My mirror shattered. I'm like, seriously, dude. I was at the gym. Frustrating.
So, I mean, were they there? Did they leave a note? Did they?
No, nothing. No, just probably some teenager just hit and run.
Oh my God! Yeah.
Yeah,
Uh,
which is life. Yeah, it's all good. These things happen.
yeah, these things happen. Unfortunate. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna kick back with those CYPH, GLTO, MTC. We'll join the Discord. We'll be keeping in touch there on the day and what's going on. Anything else you got, Mr. Phase, before we wrap her on up for the day?
That's it, guys. We'll get back on it tomorrow. Keep in touch in Discord, and we'll go from there.
All right. CYPH, come on, crack that line.
Yeah, I covered
He's right
SGM
on
now,
that line.
by the way. Could be a trade
Oh,
there, but I don't
right
like
on.
that gratification. Yeah, CYPH, I'm with it. I'm watching that thing.
I
And
try to get
MTC is working out well.
right on that line, guys.
If GLTO holds 24, that's going to be beautiful. But I mean,
Yeah.
it has room to reclaim to 25s or so and still like continue a downtrend. So just don't get too sized in there.
CYPH really on this trend line. Yeah, I'm gonna revisit later and see if it's Christmas or see if it's whatever the alternative is.
We'll
I
get
got
back on it tomorrow. I mean, it was a little slower today, so
yeah,
it's not a bad
slower.
day to take off early or step out, focus on some other stuff for sure.
All right, man. Take care, guys. Appreciate you all. We'll see you first thing in the morning for a pre-market analysis and go from there.